Hello dear friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In this video lecture, I explain a second part, apply editing and formatting features. Let's start. This is a today's video index. I explain these topics in practical terms. First topic, margin. Do you know how many types of margin? There are 4 types of margin: top and bottom margin, left and right margin. Let's do the practical and learn how to apply margin in a document. Firstly, open a document and type some content. Here in a document 3 pages with the equal margin, top, bottom, left and right. Here 2 types of ruler bar, horizontal and vertical. And if you want to increase the top margin, simply click here and drag to the downside. It's increased. And if you want to increase the left margin, click here and drag to the right side. It's increased. And if you want to increase the right margin, simply click here and drag to the left side. It's increased. And if you want to increase the bottom margin, click here and then drag to the up side. It's a bottom margin. In a document, all pages contain a same top margin, bottom margin, left or right margin. You see. Next one topic, columns. Columns means how to divide a page into a columns. 2 columns, 3 columns, like a newspaper. Let's do the practical. Firstly, open a document and type some content and select content. If you want to all select, you can use a shortcut key Ctrl A. Then simply click a format menu and then click a columns and select a column number 2. I want to divide a page into 2 columns, so I select a 2 column with equal size and then click OK button. Your page is divided into a 2 columns. And if you want to divide into a 3 columns, simple, click a format menu and then columns and select a 3 columns and then click OK. Your page is divided into a 3 columns. And next one, indentation. So you know about the indentation, 3 types of indentation. Let's do the practical and see how to apply indentation. Simply here I type 3 paragraphs because 3 indentation. If you want to apply a positive indentation, simply click a first paragraph and then click increase indent button. It's a positive indentation. And if you want to apply a negative indent, simply click a second one paragraph and then click a decrease indent button. It's a negative indentation. If you want to apply a hanging indentation, simply click here and create a list. Press the enter key. You can insert a list here. In a list only 2 items. This is a hanging indentation. It's a positive indentation, negative and hanging indentation. Next one topic is font and size. You know about a font and size. Let's do the practical. Here I type a 4 paragraph because I want to apply 4 different font phases and a font size. So simply select a first one paragraph and then click a font face list and select any one font face. Here so many font face, select any one which you want. I select here Arial and font size, click a font size scale and select a font size 11 and select a second one paragraph and then click a font face button and select a font face Arial black and then select a size 12 and then select a third one paragraph and select a font face in a font face list Arial narrow and size 13 and last one paragraph I select and then click a font face list and select anyone font face Algerian and font size is 14. So 4 paragraph for different font faces and different font sizes. First paragraph contains Arial font face and size 11 and second paragraph Arial black and size 12 and third paragraph Arial narrow and 13 font size and fourth one paragraph Algerian and 14 font size. So dear friends, according to the font size scale, minimum font size is 6 and maximum font size is 96. Next one topic, bold, italic and underline. So let's do the practical and learn how to apply a style in a document. So here I type 4 paragraph and select a first one paragraph and click the B button means bold and select the second one paragraph and click the I button means italic and select the third paragraph and click U button means underline and select the fourth one. Here I apply bold, italic and underline also. So my dear friends, if you want to apply bold, you can use a shortcut key Ctrl B, for italic Ctrl I, for underline Ctrl U. Next one topic, superscript and subscript. Let's do the practical and see how to apply in a document. Here I type two mathematical equation. First one, a plus b square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab and second one term is x square plus y square. But here 2 in a normal form, so I want to apply a superscript here. Select a 2 and then click a superscript button. It's done. And in a second example, select a 2 and click a superscript button. Second equation is ready, x square plus y square. And last two terms, I think it's a chemistry term, H2SO4 and H2O. So select a 2 and 4 and then click a subscript button. It's ready, H2SO4 and select a 2 and then click a subscript button. It's a superscript and subscript. First two example superscript and last two example for a subscript. And next one topic is change case. Here 5 types of cases. First one, sentence case. It's a by default case. Second, lower case. Third, upper case. Fourth, capitalize every word, and fifth one, toggle case. Let's do the practical and see how to apply cases in a document. I typed here 5 sentences. So select a first one sentence and then click a format menu and change case and apply a sentence case. In a sentence case, first alphabet is capital and select the second line and then click a format menu and then click a change case and lower case. In a lower case, all alphabets in a lower form and select the third line click the format menu, change case and apply the uppercase. In uppercase, all alphabets in a upper form. And select the fourth one line and click the format menu, change case and apply the capitalize every word. In this case, in every word, first alphabet capital. This T capital is I capital, fourth F capital and line L capital. Select the fifth line and then click a format menu, change case and then click a toggle case. In a toggle case, every word first alphabet in a lower form. This T small is I small, fifth F small, line L small. This is a toggle case. So total 5 types of cases: sentence, lower, upper, capitalize each word and toggle case. So dear friends, in this video lecture you learn how to apply a margin in a document and different types of font, different types of size, and you also learn styles, bold, italic, underline, and also you learn about change case, sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word and a toggle case. That's all for today my dear friends. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.